You got to leave the brows. Like, if you feel like you need to do more, stop. Stop.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Y'all don't judge me. It's been a long day, and the wine is out. Shout out to Scott's Tots. This Wine and Wigs Wednesday is a little bit different because we're going to be doing a wig, right? We're going to be doing a wig, but it's going to be like an easy breezy, no makeup, no wig sort of look. This look is inspired by my Zoom meetings and my FaceTime calls with my family and friends. I'll pop up looking like Oscar the Grouch, and sometimes I want to show up looking flawless. I want to show up looking Beyonce-esque. So if you're going on a little quarantine date and your bae call you, you can be like, oh, hey, I just was in the kitchen cooking. So I'm going to show you how to look effortless and cute. So if you have time, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching, and then I'll be back. I just grabbed a trusty dusty wig. I've had this wig for some years. I'll put which wig it is down below, but it is a curly wig because I feel like curly wigs are the best for top knots. She has an elastic band in the back, so that way she fits better and she stays on my head. But you don't need like a clean wig. I feel like it's best for it to be dirty and kind of like a mess. So then we can make her look like messy hair that was thrown up in a bun. First, we're going to start with our wig grip. I wear wig grip. First of all, she is dusty and musty. Ugh. Because I wear my wig grip under all of my wigs. And if you don't know what a wig grip is, I'm sorry to you. I'm sorry to this man. A wig grip basically keeps your wig from slipping back off of your head. And for me, I have a flat back of the head, so I need something that's going to keep my wig on, because there's nothing there. It's just a full cliff. Let's go ahead and toss on the wig. And we don't want the hairline to be too close, looking like this, because you'll get fired from your job. Your man will leave you. My favorite thing is to pull it into my hairline because I feel like it looks better. Y'all think that's good? That looks natural. Now I'm just going to scoot the wig back a little tiny bit, and we're going to add our gel. I'm just going to take some gel and just add it to the hairline. That's the reason why we have the wig just kind of, y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. We're going to do the same thing on this side, follow it around. I feel like I know what I'm doing, but I feel like I really don't. Like, I don't know what is going on. Is it just me, or applying a wig is like one of the most stressful things in the fucking world? Because you just don't know if it's going to turn out right, and you put in all this effort, and then if it messes up, you're like, I'm not starting over. All the gel's on. Now we're going to let it set and dry. So I'm going to let it air dry, and then I'm going to be back. Now I'm in 4K, so I'm gonna need y'all to be kind. This is for FaceTime. These people not gonna be in your face anyway. You're not in 4K on FaceTime, and you're not in 4K on Zoom, so the hoes can back up. But just have yourself a wet rag next to you so you can clean up your mess, because I never apply my adhesive in the right place. That white gel just will tell on you. This is actually one of my best applications. Ew, who's proud? Who's proud? Boom, boom, boom. Who's proud? Boom, boom. Okay. I kind of over bleach these knots too. This wig make my forehead look big. Oh my God. I feel like the lace on this just is a little, she's a tad bit gray. She is. This video was supposed to be easy peasy, lemon squeezy, but y'all, the hair is on. Ooh. Okay, so what we're gonna do, okay, is throw our hair up in a bun. We're gonna toss the hair down. Hold on. So all the hair is at the top of the head. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna pull the hair tight around. Pull these little hairs down. And I'm just gonna wrap the hair around in like a little bun. Like this. Yes. I like for my bun to be like that. Just gonna pull down some of these hairs. And I'm pulling down some hair in the back as well. Ain't nobody seeing the back of your head though. I don't know if you turned around on FaceTime. This is the Jane Carter Solution Wrap and Roll Mousse. And I'm just gonna add it to this area. I'm using this Wrap and Roll solution to just define the curls that are framing the face. And I want to take some of the mousse and see if I can move some of these baby hairs for it. You see that? Loose bun, check. We next need to do our makeup. So I'm going to just start off using a prime and setting spray, the Giovanni Hydrating Green Tea Facial Prime and Setting Mist. I love this stuff because it doesn't break me out. I'm going to move on to a little bit of highlighter. I'm going to use the NYX Away We Glow Liquid Illuminator. I love a liquid illuminator because naturally my skin is really shiny. Like I glow from within, okay? You can be jealous if you want to, not my fault. I'm a glowing girl. Okay, so I'm going to just use my little e.l.f. blender and just blend it in. So we're gonna move over to the coup de grace, the star of the show, which is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. It is the best product for concealing if you want like more of a skin-like sort of finish. I'm dragging on top of my eye as well and get all the areas that are like discolored. See, you can still see my skin, but it's just like evened out. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder in medium. I'm going to bronze the face. We're going to use a translucent powder to bronze. Hear me out, okay? This will work. So I use the Black Radiance powder in the color Honeymoon. Y'all see the color? It's adding color, but it's not adding texture. Oh, look at that bronzy look. I'm going to add some of this color to my eyelids as well. I'm going to use that lighter translucent powder from NYX. Carve out this area. So we're going to go back into Honeymoon, and I'm just gonna add some of this bronzy color to under the lid and the side of the nose. I'm going into my NYX translucent powder in Banana and seeing if I can add a little bit of highlight, like where the dark circle is. So now all we have to do is our eyebrows. So to do my eyebrows, I feel like the most natural product is a liquid product for me, and it's the, what is this? The Revlon Color Stay brow tint in the color dark brown. I just line under the brow and then just lightly drag some of that product up. Under the brow, I flick upwards. This brow is never the good brow. You gotta leave the brows. Like, if you feel like you need to do more, stop. I'm just gonna take like a regular brush that I have, and I'm just gonna fade out the front of the brows because I don't want it to look like super duper done. Girl, this is a little cheap beauty supply store lip gloss. This is all I got. I'm gonna use this lip glaze. It's clear, and they're not even super juicy. They just look like lips. Let me spray the face down with the hydrating facial spray. Ooh, I look like I'm glowing. This is the finish. No makeup, no wig, FaceTime date, Zoom meeting, makeup look. This is it right here. What do you think? Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.